Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, luggage rack, tires, rear all-terrain. Your new ride is just a phone call away.